Hi guys! I'm so happy that I found out how to make an overhead video. In between I had forgotten that I knew how to do it. So now I'm planning my week ahead. It's Tuesday, but no, it's Monday. But I have already planned Monday. So I have one page for one day, and I just put in the day of the week and the date. And then those are my morning routine tasks. And then here I have, I will take it out. So this part is the evening routine. Morning routine, evening routine, and in the middle are the frogs and the appointments. And I just put them here. And any additional task, like one-off tasks or something that I didn't accomplish the day before. So I just have to put it a bit more on the left side. Okay, good. And a bit more like that. Okay, good. I hope you can see it. So tomorrow is Tuesday, July 9th. And what I also do is I check on Google Calendar if I have any appointments. Normally, yes. So tomorrow there's a lesson with Amina at 3. So appointments go here. And then the other appointments are my lives. So I put it's here, but I have to make sure that I know that it's here. I just put live extra again. And then the other live is in the evening at 5:30. It's here. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. I have 2 different ones. This one, well, I have so many lives now. This one is on 365 steps, but at the moment it's on my German channel. It's the 12th day today, and in 2 weeks I will start the same live on 365 steps in English. But at the moment it's in German. But when you see this video, it's already on 365 steps English, and all the links in my description. And this live is a group lesson, and today, for example, is German, but tomorrow is English. And then I have French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. And then on Sunday it's either Mona's SUV-Reisen or Polyglot Mona, which is in 6 languages. But Tuesday is not Sunday, so I just cross it out. So what my morning routine is: I get up, I go to a parking lot with good internet, because where I sleep in the forest, there's no good internet. Then I have the live at 8. And then I plan the live for the next day and the text also. And I usually write that down So plan means I start a new live stream and plan it for tomorrow. And text means I need a text because I can't just talk in the morning spontaneously. So that's why I have a text with a topic also. And then I drink coffee, I do my social media during that, and my hiking guide, and I upload shorts. Sometimes when I can't do it all while drinking my first latte, then I will go to the cafeteria later again. That's what I'm doing today, for example. So I put this shorts down here and put 12 shorts and latte. So yeah, this is very full, I know. I also want to walk and do grocery shopping, sugar-free, eat sugar-free breakfast. I now intermittent fast, so that means I only eat from 8 to 4. So 8 to 4 is eating. Okay, and then the frogs, that depends on what I can accomplish today, and I will continue tomorrow. I also try to batch tasks, like I would like to have a day for editing and a day for filming and a day for designing the canvas presentation and so on. But as you can see, I have so many tasks that it's not possible to just only do one kind of task each day. So yeah, well, these are my daily tasks, and I have the daily life, sugar-free steps. I want to do 10K, but most of the time it's not possible. Social media means one post each day. Hiking guide means put the photos in each day, but it should also mean put the links. And I always have to catch up with the old editions because I haven't put in all the links. I should make the catch-up task, putting links, a daily task until it's completed. I will write down catch-up links, hiking guide, and make a P here. The P is for priority, and priority I will make in red. That means I have to do it first. And I have to time block, so I will do it from 10 to 10:30. And then I have another priority here today, because I changed my prices after I completed did my exam, accomplished my exam, and I have to do the price here in all the languages. There's a blog post about the group lessons in all languages on Polyglot Pocket Love It, and I will do that at 10:30 and do it until it's done. So for the links only half an hour, because I know that I can't complete this. But then the group lessons and then the next ones today are so a bit of those 10 minutes. I will make a timer. That's my time blocking method. Putting a timer of 10 minutes. And then text for Insta. Because some I know that it's not possible to complete them, so I just put 10 minutes, then I have done something, and then I can go on to the next one. And then I just transfer it to the next day. And the Canva, I know that the Canva presentation are not possible in 10 minutes. I will give myself 1 hour for that. And then for 1000 verbs, those are 2 videos. I will give myself 30 minutes. I know it's not enough, but I already have such a lot of tasks. So this is about 15 minutes, but I will complete it. This is a bathing video. And then this hygiene, I want to start it. So let's say 15 minutes. If I have enough time, let's say if it's before, that's before 16 for afternoon. If it's after 16, then if not, I can do 1 hour after 16. After 4 p.m. Okay, so this is today, and my uploads. Yeah, this is group lessons and the evening routine: bathing, meditation, journaling, reading. So today would be my laundromat day, but I have such a lot to do and it's impossible. I will do the laundromat tomorrow, and then Tuesday is the bathing video, but I have still to do the ones of last week, so I will do that first and that tomorrow. So that would be after coffee and grocery shopping and breakfast. So tomorrow at 10 I want to go to the laundromat. And then today is not washing hair, so tomorrow is washing hair. I put hair where it says bathing, and then the other ones I have to put on the other days. So I'll take out the other days of this week. So this is Wednesday. Yeah, sorry, I'm very chaotic, but I can live with myself being chaotic. I'm better at being chaotic than at being structured. And then Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday. Let me just check if the dates are okay. Yeah, they are okay. Then from there on I back plan now. It's not back planning, it's planning my week. So this week's live is on Polyglot Mona in 6 languages. That's my Sunday live. And I have to prepare a text. This is a priority because it's live in 6 languages. Then no other things on Sunday. On Saturday I have one lesson at 11 and I have one at 5 and it's the group lesson. It's Russian. And also at 9 p.m. there's another lesson, which is very late, but sometimes it's not possible to make it so that it's perfect. So, and here I put plan and text of the live. Is there a weekly task? Oh yeah, I have to look. So Sunday is publishing also, which means I have to publish everything on Patreon. And I have to schedule next week's videos on YouTube. On my 15 channels, which is sometimes not possible to do it in one day, but I'll put a P for priority here. I have 3 priorities and yeah. And on Saturday I also do one-off tasks, and the one-off tasks are here. I have completed the Shopify support conversation and I got my money back. I still sell everything on eBay, but yeah, I put everything on eBay and I have to repeat sharing my links to eBay. I have italki Pro account, YouTube, Shopify. I'm doing that every day. My logos, I have to check if I have all of them. The Patreon levels is very important. I will complete the Patreon levels and the blog post on Saturday. So, Patreon levels and blog post. So this is a priority on Saturday. Also, preparing for the Russian lesson is a priority. And yeah, a lot of lessons, 3 lessons. And then Friday weekly task is check italki. So I have to check when are my lessons and did I schedule enough lessons, and do the teachers have the links to the documents that I want to correct with them. Also, I do conversations with them, which I upload on my channels about living in my car. And Friday's appointments. Elena is on 2:30 in the afternoon. And Natalia is after my group lesson. And that's all the appointments so far. No. That's... Yeah, I knew I would make mistakes. And that's why I have this erasable pen. I love it, and it's in my Amazon affiliate link, which is always the first link in every description. See, it's just... I made a mess because I erased on this. Normally you should use a normal table. I can use something as a help. This. Okay, so on Friday I meet with my friend Belinda and we go to a festival. And the group lesson is Italian. And the preparation is a priority. And the life, I also have to plan and make a text. Oh, and there's always a blog post as well. Well, here the life, plan and text. And the blog post. So, and Saturday, plan and text and blog. See? Now it's good. Now it's good. And Friday also, plan and text and blog. So far only one priority. Well, my friend is also a priority. I have to drive to Munich. Good. And Friday's task is check item. Yes. And Thursday. So weekly task on Thursday, 2 of them. One bathing video editing, one bathing, and then check my bank accounts. I have 2 bank accounts. And the bathing video. And I always forget the uploads. I will do the uploads when I do the editing. Or if I do the editing in the evening, then I will do the upload in the morning. Oh. There's no other one? Okay. The other one is... it's today, yeah. It's here. Yeah. How many priorities do I have? 2. So this is also a priority today. I can't have more than 3 priorities, otherwise I can't accomplish anything. So, and Thursday's lessons are, yeah, what I wrote down for Friday, and it's not Friday, it's here. And 18:15, 6:15 p.m. Natalia. And on Thursday it's a Spanish lesson. And the normal life, a blog post and plan and the text. Have I crossed out? No. Because one of them is for Monday through Saturday and the other one is for Sunday. So this is Sunday, I crossed out the other one. And then Wednesday. So the weekly tasks. Wednesday is also a one-off task. Let me check. So the Patreon is very important. The social security I already did, but I don't know if they will pay my money back now. Yeah, the playlists. That's important also. So one of 30 playlists. That's an important blog post on Polyglot Park. I'd love it. And that's all. I have to check when I wash my hair. So Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday. So I put that here where the bathing is. Okay. And Wednesday lessons. Olga at 3 p.m. And the live is French. That's the priority. Here, Spanish preparation is priority. Okay, that's all. So let's check. Oh, and the monthly. The monthly. So yesterday was the first Sunday and I had my family meeting. The 1st of July was already cleaning my car, which means vacuuming this part where the driver's seat is. I already did that. 13th, that's on Saturday. I have to prepare my... Oh good, I only have 2 priorities on this day. So the most important is the online magazine, 365 steps. Online magazine. But publishing it is on the 15th, which is next Monday, so I can't write it down now. But I will see it when I plan next week. I will see that it's the 15th. And others, therapy, the hiking guide is 28th, no, and yearly, I have to do my taxes. Let me check when I don't have 3 priorities. What about today? No, tomorrow, I mean, this is today. Well, there's a priority here because that's the preparation for the live. And the laundromat is important. I have to drive there as well. The blog post is missing here. But okay, I will start my taxes tomorrow. Okay. And it's a priority, and I will write down start taxes because that's the Excel, which I have to check and put some data in. Good, I think we're done. Yeah. So, preparation. I think I have prepared enough for my italki teachers, yeah. And updating those cards. There's one outside of the ring. I will do that now because otherwise I just forget it all the time. What's that? So I want to collect my task cards, and when I accomplished one, I get a photo sticker which I make with my photo printer, which is also in my Amazon affiliate link. I love it, and I will put the photo sticker on the card, and then I think it fell into the worst place possible, between the seat and the middle console. I can't change it now. It's where it is. So I want to put the task cards here. And why do I have a new plastic pocket sheet now? Because I put task cards in there on the front and on the back, and I think when the photo is on the card it will be too bulky, too thick, so I have to put it into a new one. And then there's only one card on one sheet of plastic pockets. And here is where I will put my dailies, because the red one is only what I use, yeah, during the day. So let me check. Today, no, that's Sunday. That's Sunday, and it's confusing because I haven't accomplished everything yesterday, and I still have to take a photo for, not for Instagram, it's for, this is all okay. And I already put everything that I didn't accomplish on the next day. On my Polyglot Mona account on YouTube. That's where I put a photo of my day after it's over. So this is today. And I will write down that I filmed a plan with me video, so that I can cross it off. Park it where you love it. Plan with me. That's wonderful. Okay. So I will make that green as well, because I put the shorts here. And priorities now are catch up the links from 10 to 10:30, and then after that group lesson blog post, and after that make that video and upload, and after that all the other things. Where's my lesson for today? There is a lesson today, I'm sure. Oh, it's at 15:30. and it's with Eleanor. Good. So that's all. I wish you a wonderful day. See you next time. Check out my playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And have a good and successful day. Bye bye.